everybody. This is gonna be the second Skellington battle in history. Here we have Monster. Looks like Monster was unprepared for this. He seems to be relying on his strength. But Birdman here is well prepared for this occasion. He knows that strength alone isn't going to cut it. I have a feeling he's going to win this one. Boom. There. The gates are opening. Let's push them together. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. These guys... Oh my lord. Stop. You die. Oh, dang it. Ooh, looks like a monster. I was not prepared for that. Ooh. I feel like Birdman's gonna win this one. Oh yeah, 1 point for Birdman. Whoever gets the most points win. Actually, whoever gets the 3 points win. Looks like, again, Birdman is winning this. Monster not looking too good. Oh boy. Oh no! Dude, that's a foul tee. That's a foul. The referees were not supposed to get into the fight. Looks like Birdman here. Ooh. Referees, you gotta stop killing the contestants. Alright, let's try this again. Looks like Birdman again is well prepared. I think he get in there. You half-wit, get out of here. This is not your battle. Alright. Uh-oh, look at that. Don't get too close. It's anybody's game. Who's gonna win? I have a feeling that Birdman is gonna win. It's a flawless victory. That was amazing. Birdman is the winner. What do you say, referees? Do you think that this was a fair challenge? No. What do you mean, no? I said no. Birdman obviously had armor. So Monster should have had armor too. Hey, look, I'm not the one that makes them, that decides whether they get armor or not. They decide whether they have armor. And so it's perfectly fair and square. You see now? Good. Anyways, Birdman is the winner! Hooray!